You see they differ slightly.
So today, this afternoon, we're having a quite great day. We are right here at Motel TV, where we're having a little bit experiment of what it takes really to be a technician on solar panels, like on a deeper scale, including like structural work on how and what effect do you think one could potentially need in future if ever you have to put panels on your roof. So today we're having a little bit of inspo. So I'll be taking you through on what really looks like on a little bit detail level. So we also have a facilitator who's also a professional who was taking us through all this work process. So I'll be taking you through that with me, of course.
Utaikopa man.
He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
You must look at the panel. If you look at the panel, you'll see currently it has a 28 degrees Celsius, 28.4 degrees Celsius. If you move it over to the cells, you'll see they differ slightly on the heat. Okay, so on 28, 29 you can feel it's nice and cold.
Nale class.
Side like that. So we do, you hold it for me, eh? Okay, I'm going to put these plugs in here. Who wants to hold the camera? Yeah. So we put these in here. Okay, so the sun is coming from that side, huh? And then always if you take it apart, it will just drop. It doesn't get tangled up. This is a Majortech brand. It's a clamp tester. So we can test volts, watts and amps, temperature and power, resistance, everything. Okay, it's a good tester. What we wanted to test now, I just want to come and stand that side because the sun is this side. You can see my shade is falling that side. No? So we need one more hand, please. That's DC power, no? So we're going to measure the DC power now, and you tell me what do you see? What is the power?
Why are you shaking?
Why are you shaking? Who's shaking? 40 volt. Yeah. Okay, what does it say there? What must the volts be? VOC, no? VOC. 36 and we're getting 40. 45.4. 45.4. We're only getting 40. Now we want to tilt the panel, maybe. What's happening? Two way? Okay, drop it. Make sure your shadow is not falling on the panel, eh? Yeah?
1.8.
Okay, keep it like that, no? 14, what?
1.8.
Okay, so it's still not good conditions because it's a little bit of cloud in front of the yeah, because of the cloud in front of the sun, it's not getting to 45, okay, which is VOC. Now if somebody can, yeah, if you can pick it up slightly now and move it to the shadow there where he stands, but keep the tilt. What's it doing now? How much? How about your shadow? Mind the shadow? It's 0.8 volt, no? Millivolt. Okay. So bring it back to the sun a bit. See if it changes. So just keep it there. Okay, there we go. It's 41.9 again. Just move to the shadow. 3 or 4 panels onto it now. Then it's going to be an arc like that. You'll hold it like that and it's arcing. And the on off for the AC, that's your screen where you can read everything. And the AC panel, that's the AC changeover switch. And this is your combiner box for your PV coming in from the roof through this to the inverter, then to the battery. So this is your battery switch to disconnect. And this is the Nest battery. They do have switches on. On top you can see all the lights. You can switch it on and off here. And then the battery is wired to this. And the PV comes in here from the PV box, the string box. Yeah? And that is your AC power. So on the screen you can see, on the screen you will see you've got, that's your PV power, your battery power, the grid, and then the load in the building. Right, and you can go into settings and you can change the settings if you want to. And escape, it's got all different settings. Everything is a different setting that you can do. But each inverter type has got different settings.
Yeah.
And then you can watch the PV power. You can see that the string has got 347, 344 volts, the amps.
Buna, ha le tsa tsa make mo tlo rutang strength.